Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
In the LastPass breach, everyone focused on cracking passwords, but the real threat, it was hiding in plain sight.
So LastPass encrypted your passwords and notes, right? But crucially, they left website URLs totally unencrypted.
This data basically gave hackers a roadmap to your entire digital life, a perfect target list.
Knowing exactly where you bank and shop makes phishing scams incredibly convincing and, well, really dangerous.
Hackers could see your most valuable accounts, banks, crypto wallets, even your company's internal portals.
And the danger goes way beyond just phishing. This leak could actually grant hackers direct access. So, how can a simple URL let someone in without your password? Let's break it down. It's an attack called session hijacking. Think of it like a hacker stealing the valet key online.
Here's how it works. First, the hacker gets their hands on your stolen, unencrypted LastPass URL.
Now that URL might just contain a session ID that was saved when you last logged in.
And boom, the hacker uses that ID to basically duplicate your session and take over the account.
Get this, if you ever saved a password reset link, that URL is now a permanent key.
Okay, so what can you actually do to protect yourself right now? Here's the game plan.
First, go through your saved URLs. See any with long, weird strings of characters? Delete them.
Next, you've got to assume the old vault is compromised. That means changing every single password in it.
Finally, maybe it's time to switch to a password manager that actually encrypts everything, including URLs.
Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.